Namaste beautiful yogis, welcome to Ali Kamenova Yoga. I'm Ali and today we're doing another HIIT for the body and we should call it Assmazing. I'm taking all of your suggestions for puns that pertain to body workouts such as butt kicking, and I will include some, and if you have some puns for the body, post them below. I would love to use them as titles for the classes. And today's class is going to be again full body cardio, very strong, just fun, so that you're not feeling as if you're working out. You feel like you're jumping around like a little kid yet getting fit at the same time. So remember to flow with strength and ease during this class. The first exercise is 1, 2, kick. 1, 2, opposite leg. 1, 2, kick. So keep swapping the legs. 2 jumps to one side kick. Stay low if you can. It gets harder. Side lunge combination follows, so it is the following combination. Take a side lunge, sit back, pose. 1, 2, 3. Now deadlift. 1, gliding your hands down your shin bone and pivoting. 2, 3, and now jump. 1, or hop your leg off the floor. 3, good. Woo, pose. 1, 2, sit back. 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 hops. 1, 2, 3. All right, lower down for a stretch. Opposite side. Sit back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hop. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo. Stretch it out. And the next is on a wall. Put your booty to the wall. One leg on the wall. One-legged bridge. Sink the booty down and up. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I will rest doing this. 20. Prepare for the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press through the heel. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that's it. I can't even do a single extra rep. And lay on your belly. Rocking. So lift, lift, lift the hands, lift the legs. snowboarding kicks. Kick. It's more of a leg lift. Side lunge combination. All right, so pose, 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 pose. 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, pose. Pose, pose. 1, 2. I'm so done. So done. Stretch it out. Prepare for the opposite side. So put your weight onto that leg. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hop. 1, 2, 3. Pose. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hop. 1, 2, 3. It's the wall bridge combination. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this time I managed to push faster. Opposite side. 1, 2. Try to keep your hips level so you're not tilting your pelvis here. You're trying to keep the pelvis, the hips square. That's part of the challenge here. It really loads the muscles better. So much so that I'm done. All right, double pat your mat maybe for those rocking beauties. Back to the top, snowboarders. Last round. Those leg lifts are really good. That's it. Side lunge combination. Really step here. Step on this side. Pivot. 1, 2, 3. Focus work. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. If this is easy for you, realign. Get your alignment. Opposite side. So step on that leg. Light on the opposite side. 1, 2, 3. Hips, knees and ankles aligning. Two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Get on the wall. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The booty is dipping. You can see at the very lowest part of the rep here, the under booty is firing the top booty. This is a full body workout. Hamstrings included. This is also beautiful anti-aging inversion that stimulates the thyroid from yoga. So metabolism balancing, thyroid balancing. It's like a massage for the thyroid. Plus inversion, so we're improving our circulation, heart function, supply. Roll out, almost there. So lay your hips on a body surface and rock. Rocking like a boat. This is lower back, beauty strength, beautiful strength is what it gives you. That's really deep in your tissues. And prepare for the bonus feature. This is gonna be burnout for your legs and body. Take a narrow lunge. So this is wide lunge, yoga, narrow, stack, and extend your left leg down, engaging the right glute. Lower down, come up, lift, twist, opposite side. Focus on your moves, pivoting, twisting. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Start at the front, left leg leading this time. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Get to your wall. And now you can have your hands at shoulder width, a little lower, much lower for a wall plank. Perfect for postpartum as well. And here, take a nice plank, the core engaging, press into your heels, engage, the abdominal muscles, and you're going to extend one leg down, the other leg. The entire time your core is literally on fire, completely engaged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower down, and we're going to bend the knee and lift one leg, right leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Flex your hamstrings here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite side. Level the hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Side plank on the right hand, and we're gonna do knee in, right knee in. 1, 2, 3, 4, squeeze, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And do a circle here and opposite circle. Reach side to side to release the sides of the body. Oftentimes you see people that are strong without looking like they have a balanced physique. Too much strength work, no stretching. Everything has to be worked from the yin and yang perspective. Arm circles. For more stretching, come to my yoga classes, of course. Arm circles forward for mobility. Shoulder circles. Opposite side. Reverse forward. Pull the belly in around the back. Come onto your toes and come out. All right. Thank you for joining me today for this quick, powerful, Assmazing session. And let me know how it was for you. What was the most challenging exercise of this bunch? There were 1, 2, 4 exercises. 2 were on left and right, so 4 separate exercises plus the bonus feature. So let me know which one you really loved for whatever reason. It was most challenging for you, whatever reason. All right. Thank you all for sharing your energy with me, and I'll see you on Sunday with our yoga class. Remember to flow with strength and ease. Namaste.